Hey, I'm Julian. I joined MPH because I'd been training for a while, 2 to 3 years, and I felt like I hit a wall in my path. And I've seen Bailey in the gym and seen his athletes, and it really appealed to me. I wanted someone to keep me accountable and help me take the next step in my journey. And that's exactly what they did for me through these last 10 to 12 weeks. The last 12 weeks, Bailey has helped me go through a fat loss phase in a way I've never done it before, keeping my strength, if not putting on increasing strength, while getting as lean as I've been in my life. I went from about 86 kilos to 71, 72 kilos, roughly 15 kilos within the 10 weeks, getting down to single digit, about 9% body fat, which I've never hit before, and also just made it comfortable in a way that I haven't experienced before, getting lean and reassuring me that I could put muscle on or could at least maintain muscle while getting to a state that I got to. I'd recommend MPH to others because, before I ever reached out to them, I've seen Bailey in the gym and some of his co-workers, and they'd always help me out, and I feel like it's the most genuine people have been towards me through training. And you go to an organization, you don't know what to expect, but I know I could trust these guys and expect a good result because of what they've done for me before I even reached out to them. And I think that's just the main reason. They're just genuine and they care about your training, care what's best for you.